Hey guys, in this video I wanted to go over trading price action using line charts. So do most people, they're a bit overwhelmed when they get started investing in trading because of the candlesticks, because of the charts, because of everything going on. So I thought we could move back to the old school system, simplify it a bit, and get into line charts. So guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Thank you so much. Now let's continue on into the video. So a line chart is this. What you're probably used to seeing is a candlestick chart which looks like this. So I'm going to show you how to still read price action almost as effectively, but using a line chart. Now remember, a candle does show way more than a line will ever show, but it still helps you give a good opinion if you want to use the old school way. Now, you usually see me coming from my Toss broker, which is, shows up like a bunch of stocks on the screen and whatnot. But I wanted to show you a way that anybody could use this for themselves. So I went to finance.yahoo.com and looked up SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF. So looking from here, you can see that whether you're international or whether you don't have a brokerage at all, you can start this right now by opening up a Google or Safari web tab. So moving on, you may be wondering, why am I calling this the old school method? Well, before they used to not have charts, and then when they started having charts, the first one was the line chart. The reason being is because they weren't able to collect enough data. Back then, they just didn't have the software that we had to display the high, the low, the close, and whatever of every single day. So instead, they just had the line which charted price action. Now let's go into actually understanding this line chart real quick. So the date range here, or what this shows, is how far back we're looking. So this takes price from each single day. So as you can see here, this is 1 day of action. If we look here, this is 5 days of trading action. This is 1 month of trading action. This is year to date. So from January 1st, 2020 all the way up until now. This is the year to date per performance. We also have the 1 year, the 2 year, and the 5 year. You can also go back max depending on how long the stock has actually been in the market. Now this actually isn't the max on SPY. It goes back a lot further than this, but this is the most that it can actually fit on this one screen here. But I'm just going to start off here with the 1 year time frame. Actually, let's go 2. So understanding this now, so a candlestick typically shows what the price has been, and this shows the same thing just on a lesser known time scale and time frame. So what we're going to be looking at here is now the intervals. So the 1 minute intervals will show actually what's happening. So it's going to show the actual price closes of each 1 minute, right? But if we go the daily, then that will make more sense. So each close price will show where the price closed for that single day, since this is the interval, right? For a single day over the past 2 years, which is what we're getting from this date range, right? If I go 2 years, it brings it straight out to a 2 year chart here. Again, it reset the interval back, but so a day. So I'm just going to zoom out just so you can get a good picture. So this is a line chart, and what is beneficial about using price action on a line chart is it doesn't overcomplicate you. It shows you exactly how to tell if a stock is going up or if a stock is going down. So for instance, we can use this well with an indicator like a moving average. So a moving average, like I like to use on my YouTube account here, I say the 200-day moving average. So now you can see exactly when it's above and below this line without being concerned with the candlesticks being up and below. You can just see when exactly it closes above and below the candle and use it, or above and below the line, and use it as your entry and exit points. So this is a great way to simplify your trading if you don't like looking at the candlesticks, or if you're an investor moving into the investing world and want to understand charts a bit better. Using a line chart is your go-to. If you would like to learn more about investing, whether it's an investing FAQ, a free investing course, and I'm even coming out with a free swing trading 101 course coming soon, check out the links in the description to get all your free resources. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. As always, see you in the next video.